All right, guys, what's up? This is a quick one. One box, one hit, Panini one. There's 30 spots. One of you is going to get the card inside this box. We're going to roll the dice. We will re-roll if we get Snake Eyes. We're going to go four times. Four times, random teams here. Brian L., I sent you a message. Send over when you get a chance, please. This one dragged out for a little while, but I was checking payments. Just needed yours, I believe. Brian Jones has two. Brian L., Chris Connor, Jimmy Meese, Dan, Teo, K Blue 2, Austin, Chris, William 4, JT 3, Fuss 3, Mayo, William, Brian, Teo, Jimmy, Fuss, Brian, Josh, and Austin. Those are from the filler that we just did the other break with. We're going to go four times to shake these up. That's 1, 2, 3. Fourth and final time on 4. Brian down to William. Did I not have that on the screen? Okay, there it is. Sorry. I don't know if I had that on the screen, but it's on the thing here. All right, now this one is the 49ers down to the Vikings for your random teams. However, there is no, where's it at? There is no something. I got to take out two teams. It is Cardinals, and then the Pats and Saints are a combo spot. Took out the Patriots, took out the Cardinals, put the Patriots down there with the Saints. That should get us to 30. We're going to go four times, and we'll match them up on 4. Good luck. That's 1, 2, 3. Fourth and final time. Titans up top. Rams at the bottom. All right, there is the list. You want to do any selling, trading, or purchasing, you got about 2 seconds. I'm going to get this box opened, and I'm heading out of here after this. If anybody wants personals or anything, let me know. If there's a certain group break you want to see, let me know. Right now, we have 2 breaks up in the store. The Bowman Mixer has 12 left. You get 2 teams in that one. And the Cup Hockey, 17-18, 3-box inner. Awesome break there. $94 gets you a random team in that one. Those are the 2 breaks we have up now. Lots of new stuff out, and we'll get some other stuff posted. All right, I won't show it just yet. Just getting ready here. 1 box of the higher end here. $700 box, $750. I don't know what they're going for now. I have a couple left if anybody's interested in more. We should have been able to run through these at $24, to be honest. Take a gamble, take a couple teams, and do some single box breaks on these. But it took a little longer than expected. Otherwise, I would have put another one up already. I think I have 5 more boxes of this stuff. So we could try a 2-box break for 48 bucks. Give 2 shots. Get 2 shots at getting a hit. If you want to try that, or 3, or whatever. Nonetheless, here we go. You know what? We've pulled nothing but nice stuff out of this. And here's another nice one. I don't know who has them yet. Haven't looked, but it's another nice hit. Another nice hit. All right. Well, the man is hot. The man is hot, and he's hot with the same team. If I can get the focus for you with the glare. There it is. Another Jalen Hurts. This one is an RPA 3-color patch out of 149 for the Eagles. Austin. Crushing it. Sorry, everybody else. Austin hit the Eagles, and he hit the Jalen Hurts. He also got one in the encase break. And we have now opened 3 boxes of Panini no, 4 boxes. We have a Chase Claypool, 2 Jalen Hurts, and a Justin Herbert. That's how ridiculous this stuff has been for us. I got more. Let's try some more of it. Congrats, Austin. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. I'm going to sign off. If anybody wants anything, hit me up. I'm going to go enjoy this weather and some baseball. Peace out.